Good evening. I'm here to speak with you about equivalence theory. When I think of equivalence theory, the word that comes to mind is equal. Equivalence theory states that distance education is not identical to traditional education, but it is equivalent. In our book, I read that this theory theorizes that for distance education to be successful in the United States, its appropriate application should be based on the approach that the more equivalent the learning experience of distance students are to that of local students, the equivalent will be the outcomes of the learning experience. Page 50. Not all students learn the same way, and in that, you must understand how important differentiation is in a classroom and in a distance education learning environment. When you think of K through 12, these students learn in multiple ways, and you have so many learning styles. There are about 4 modalities of learning. So it is important to have a mixture of learning activities and learning experiences. Learning experiences should be observable, they should be felt, heard, and done. So when I think of this, I think of the learning modalities of kinesthetic, auditory, visual, and tactile. The goal of instructional planning should be to make the sum of the learning experience to the learner equivalent to that of those of a traditional environment. The distance education professor must and has a responsibility to design a learning event or learning events that provide standardized material that is equivalent value of all learning. Of distance education learning should be good